Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. They always act on two different bodies. If a body A applies a force Fa on a body B, then the body B reacts with force Fb on the body A, which is equal to Fa in magnitude, but opposite in direction. Therefore, Fb is equal to minus Fa. We shall better understand this with some of the examples. When birds fly, they push the air downwards with their wings. That is action. And the air pushes the bird upwards. That is reaction. Example 2. When a person swims, he pushes the water using the hands backwards. That is action. And the water pushes the swimmer in the forward direction. That is reaction. When you fire a bullet, the gun recoils backward and the bullet is moving forward. That is action. And the gun equalizes this forward action by moving backward. This is reaction.